Fun stuff from us. Hi everybody! How's it going? This is Benjaline. Okay guys, for today's video, so this one remove all the air from the hose and so that it will submerge in the pool. Put water in all of the hose.
A lot of it has to float because if it's all down at the bottom, it'll be dragging everything. With it floating.
No, that's not the instruction. Danger, it's moving. I'm glad it still works. But we have to make sure
There's bubbles behind it.
there's no air in the hose. See, it's not vacuuming. Yeah, it will keep on walking. I mean, look at that, it's walking.
What's that on the bottom down there?
What?
Huh? Look, Sissy, it even goes to the mountain at the sides.
Look.
What is that?
What?
What?
Right there.
That's
It's like this bigger.
Oh no,
those
there's
are Mikey. Are those Mikey's goggles?
Hala, it needs to be taken out. Is that a dirt? There should not be a large debris because the vacuum will be damaged. Hala, B.O., there's the goggles of Sissy here too. It fall down.
It's hair.
Oh, great.
That's Mommy's hair.
Why did it stop?
Because it can't go anywhere.
Oh, here.
Where's Mikey's goggles?
Over here, right here.
I
Look,
have the
Sissy.
blue one. These
Look,
ones are
Sissy,
Mikey's.
it's running. Yeah, there is still a lot of. We don't really have a lot of debris in the floor.
Well, you get more than you think because there's
B.
bugs.
We need to remove this ladder. It's hindering the from moving.
That's
Yeah,
why
we.
I have to keep going backwards. There's a robot.
There it
I
is.
see.
It's working now. Yeah, there's a lot of little bugs. Yeah,
There's another flipper.
there's a lot of little bugs still. We really need
and
to.
Mikey have been trying to find his other one. We can't find it. I don't think we need the ladder.
Oh yes, you do. How do you come up from the water?
I can use my
Find out when we're at the hotel. How did they get in and out of the pool?
Oh, there's still a lot of bugs.
Yeah, Mikey.
I hate these little bugs. They also
There's a lot of them on the bottom. Once they become waterlogged, they to the
they
bottom.
they also want to swim. They also want to swim in the swimming pool.
Because they can't swim. They're just not bright enough to stay out of the water.
There's our automatic vacuum cleaner for the pool.
Daddy,
She's working hard. Look at her.
whenever we're in a pool, there's always a wasp that is riding that floaty. And that's why we always stay on this side of the pool.
Riding on the floaty. It's still not submerging.
Yeah, but why is it?
Yeah, I don't know why
That
it's.
one's leaking water.
I don't know why the connection is like
And
that.
it twists so you can't tighten it.
Yeah,
That's stupid.
I don't know why they have that design like that there.
And what about the other one?
Yeah, they're not doing it. That's why I noticed this one's doing it, but they're not.
There it is. It's cleaning, Sissy. She's cleaning good. Yeah, there's in that side. Oh, there's a lot of debris there in the floor. It's not totally submerged though, the hose.
Even sideways, just like riding around like this.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it will go to the side in the mountain.
What robot rides walls?
Tell Mikey to come look at the robot vacuum.
Mike, look! He's cleaning, Mike. He's cleaning, Mike. He's cleaning good, Mike.
Just think, Mike, if you had your swimming suit on and was inside the pool, that thing could chase you.
Thank you.
Welcome, buddy.
Could be the monster robot.
Cleaning good, Sissy. Look at that.
Going up the moon.
Yeah.
Trying.
Cleaning good. Look, it even goes to the side. Like, even if it's inclined.
That wasp is so confused.
It's so confused.
Look, Daddy, the wasp is on the pipe.
He's riding the hose.
Hala, dirt. He is in the water. Great.
That's why you don't see too many wasps in there. They know how to take off out of the water.
Yeah, that's good. There's the robot Angel. It's cleaning Angel. Look, Angel. Say hi. He said hi to you. Hi. That's operated by that. Operated by the pump. It's like pushing the. You work so working hard, babe. keeps on running and running, huh? Isn't it cute?
Yes, that's cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's swimming.
Swimming in a pool.
Making face underwater.
Uh-huh. There she is, Sissy. She's coming to you again to say hi. 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 It's like a snake. It's like a snake. It's coming to you again. Please don't cut yourself. You even have sunglasses.
You don't.
Let me see your skin. Yes, for dark one. Okay, she's cleaning good. Keep on cleaning, keep on cleaning. There she is again. Look at the automatic cleaner, vacuum cleaner. It's working good. She's working hard. It's been there now for about almost 30 minutes now. Look at her. She just keep on rolling and rolling. Yeah, you have to connect the end of the hose to the inlet water return of the filter pump. This only works with a filter pump for above ground pool. This is an INTEX. The pump is running right now, and that's the one connected. The cleaner is connected to the pump. But that she's working hard. There's 4 wheels of that. It's all rubberized. It even goes to the side where it is really like very inclined. It looks really cool. You need to get all the air out of the hose. That's why you have to submerge it all in the water. Put water in the hoses so that all the hose will submerge. This one right now, there's like something wrong with the one of the hose connection. It's not totally submerging. I guess the way I connect it last night, I need to reconnect it again and really put water on all of the hose.